Hi, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. If you're looking for a Ford Flex, this is your vehicle. This is the 2017 edition. Stock number is 7159A. Now take notice of this Flex's exterior condition as we make our way up. You're going to see the exterior is absolutely impeccable condition. No dings, no dents. Making our way around, we're going to show you the driver's side. If you're traveling with friends or family, you want to talk about some ample legroom and room for everyone, you've got it. Groceries, luggage, whatever you may have will fit right back there. Leather interior. Now going into the driver's side, you're going to see that this is absolutely fully loaded. Power windows, locks, cruise tilt. A very, very comfortable ride on this Ford Flex. Home of warranty, protection for life, oil changes for life. You're going to find it at one place and one place only. For more information, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. On behalf of Sunset Ford, Scott Tanner saying make it a great day.